Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Tech Compounder. Let me tell you a common thing that WhatsApp is a non-profit company. It did not make any money for a long time. Google, however, wanted to make a big donation to WhatsApp on a condition that it would not come with Google, at least not to be sold to any other company. But WhatsApp did not listen to Google. They did not make any help of Google. Facebook later acquired WhatsApp. Although WhatsApp was acquired, it was kept as a separate entity. In other words, the principles of WhatsApp remain intact. The leaders of WhatsApp thought that since Facebook is a social media, they would understand the meaning of WhatsApp as a social media, which is not possible with Google. So, they were affiliated with Facebook. However, after the affiliation with Facebook, some leaders of WhatsApp resigned out of dissatisfaction and they created another similar app called Signal. At the present time, the cost of WhatsApp is borne by Facebook. WhatsApp used to cost $1 subscription fee, but after the affiliation, Facebook made it totally free. However, there is another version of this app called WhatsApp Business. The information of this app is monitored by Facebook and used in their business activities. That's why you can call WhatsApp Business app is their means of earning money. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.